Good morning, students. I am Sapna Gautam, Science teacher Sarvit Kari Vidya Mandir Fazilka. Students, we have studied experiment 2 in previous video, जिसमें हमने fermentation के बारे में पढ़ा था. How yeast cells make the dough volume increase by the yeast cells. So, I think you have to learn properly, and all experiments you have to learn properly and write down on your practical notebook or fair notebook. So today we will discuss about experiment 3. Experiment 3, we are going to discuss reaction of metals with acid. When metals react with acids, what happens? We will discuss about. So what materials be required for this? Dilute H2SO4, which is acid, H2O, beaker, glass rod, iron nail, zinc granules, etc. Okay, so what is the procedure? In this experiment we have dilute sulfuric acid and iron nail, which is a metal. When we react iron nail and dilute H2SO4 sulfuric acid, then what will happen? We will discuss about in the procedure and what we will observe. So first of all, we take beaker or test tube and add dilute H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Pour some nails, pour some iron nails in it. Okay. So after some time, we will see iron react with सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. क्या देखेंगे हम? आयरन react with sulfuric acid. What will happen? Iron contact with sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. हाइड्रोजन गैस बाहर निकल जाती है और आयरन सल्फेट will obtain. What will obtain? Iron sulfate will obtain in this reaction and hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, so iron nail grey in color, do you know about this? And sulfuric acid, this is sulfuric acid. This is iron sulfate or parasulfate. After reaction, this will green in color, and hydrogen gas is evolved in this reaction. And test tube will bar. If you take beaker, and in this beaker we take some iron nails and H2SO4 sulfuric acid, some iron nails, this will react each other, and after some time iron sulfate will be formed. After some time iron sulfate of green color will be formed. Okay. That is iron sulfate, which is green in color. And if we go for next metal, then we take beaker and add dilute sulfuric acid and pour some zinc granules in it. Zinc granules उसमें डालेंगे, and after some time we will see कि what will happen when zinc एक मेटल है, सिल्वर ग्रे कलर में होता है ये. I will show you when zinc react with H2SO4, what will happen? Zinc combine with sulfate, then zinc sulfate, colorless liquid is formed, and hydrogen gas is evolved in that case. And also in that case test tube will warm. Okay, so this is zinc granules. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करती है, देन जिंक सल्फेट कलरलेस लिक्विड we will obtain, and hydrogen gas is evolved in that case, like this. You will also draw diagram neat and clean on your notebook or practical as you wish, and learn also these experiments. Okay. If you have any doubt, then contact me, personal number, or ask me in the virtual class also. Okay, that is zinc granules H2SO4, or after some time, after reaction, this zinc sulfate will form, that is colorless. Okay, so let's perform this activity. First of all, we have iron nail. We take some iron nail, and this is H2SO4 sulfuric acid. We add some sulfuric acid into it. And iron react with sulfuric acid, then iron sulfate of green color will be formed after some time. This reaction will take some time. तब तक जिंक ग्रेन्यूल वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको करवाते हैं. हाउ जिंक ग्रेन्यूल्स that is zinc granules silver gray in color. Okay, when we add zinc granules in the beaker, and add some sulfuric acid in it. Add some sulfuric acid in it. We will see what will happen. You can see there is reaction take place. We add some more H2SO4 in it. You will see there is color take place of the zinc granules from silver gray to blackish, or this solution will be colorless after reaction. There is reaction take place and the gas is evolved known as hydrogen gas, and after some time beaker will be warm. We put aside it. You can see the reaction take place. And if we see these zinc granules, then we can see the color of zinc granules will change from silver gray to blackish in the beaker. Color is changed after reaction and gas is evolved like hydrogen gas, which is hydrogen gas. So look at this. This is zinc granules before reaction, is silver gray in color, and this is zinc granules after reaction. Okay, zinc sulfate is formed which is colorless, which is zinc sulfate formed which is colorless. Okay students, so let's take iron sulfate liquid. So students, this is iron sulfate which is green in color. When iron nail react with H2SO4, then it will change into ferrous sulfate, which is green in color, we will obtain iron sulfate, green solution. Okay, and hydrogen gas will evolve in this experiment. So students, you have to learn this experiment and write down on your notebook. Thanks. Have a nice day.